Hey, what up guys? It's your boy Andy C. Welcome back to Drip Tesla. Today I have something very special for you. We have the Cyber Taillights, okay? So these have been in the market for a little bit of time and they're quite new actually, but I finally got to get a hands-on one, and they're by a company called Taillights. Taillights is one of the biggest companies for Tesla's accessories right now. They have some great products. I will link down the code below for discounts if you do like this product. I'll also link down all the accessories I've done since 2021. If you have any questions about any of the mods, please shoot a comment down below. Otherwise, subscribe and like. Let's get right to it. Alright guys, so I did unbox the LED lights. That's what it looks like. Over here, looks like we have some kind of adapter that's going to be powering up the LED lights. And over here, we have some kind of wiring harness. Okay, so let me start installing this and show you guys the process. Alright guys, so the first step, what we're gonna do, I've already started, but we're going to get this plastic piece off, okay? It is a little bit stuck on there, like as you can see, by clips, okay? So you're gonna use a little bit of force to take the black plastic piece off, okay? Okay, so I got the black piece off. As you can see, I had to disconnect some wires in order to get the black piece off. Next step would be taking off your license plate. One of these. Now I'm gonna take these off real quick and then we'll get to the next step. Now we're gonna go behind the trunk and we're gonna see 4 different connectors right here, okay? This one's gonna be for your left LED, the white light, the right LED white light. This one is going to be for your camera, and this one is going to be for your power trunk. Now what we're going to do is we're literally going to just take all of the pins out, okay? I've already taken this one out, but you just have to press this on the bottom and just pull it out. This one has like a little lock thing, so you just lift this lock up and it comes out, okay? Next, we're going to remove the left and right LED lights. See that little clip right there? Basically, you press onto it and you push out. And once you do that, it'll come off, okay? So we're gonna take both LED lights off. Then we also have to take off these 2 as well. Now, if you did that right, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna be very easy to take off once the clips are pushed through. So you wanna just take the LEDs off, okay? Okay, now we're gonna remove the trunk, power trunk and camera. So basically, as you can see right here, you just gotta take a pair of pliers, squeeze it together and just push. There's 2 locks on this side. So basically just squeeze it together and just push out. And once you do that, you're gonna be able to take the camera off. Okay, the camera is now off. Okay, the camera's now off. Now we're gonna be utilizing all 3 of these holes. Okay, and I'll show you guys what to do in a second. But make sure, let's just wipe down all the debris on top of here. So the 3M will stick. Then we'll go from there. Okay, so I've taken the LED lights out of the box and this is what it looks like. There's some 3M at the top there. So you can see I inserted the wire to one of the LED lights where the LED lights came out. Make sure this area is clean because we're going to be putting the 3M tape top like so. Now if you guys do this right, there's going to be holes down here aligned, so make sure it's aligned like so because we're going to be sticking everything back in there, okay? All right, so let me take the 3M tape off and then line this up, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so I did put the LEDs on. It's tightly on there. As you can see, it's perfectly even. Did take me a couple tries and my own double-sided tape because the one I kept messing up on actually like making it even. So I put more double-sided tape on there, and now it's completely good to go. Now I'm gonna insert all the lights and the camera stuff back in, and then we'll figure out how to do the harness together. Okay, guys? Okay, so the LED lights are back in. Also, I put the camera back on. Now we're gonna go under this thing, and then we're gonna reconnect those wires that we took out in the beginning. Okay, so let's do that first. We'll get to the next. After everything has been connected with your LED and your trunk, I've taken the wire here that is our tail light wire all the way down, took this part off, and then fished it down here. Okay, so from here the line goes like this under and then comes out this way. Next part was a little tedious. I got my adapter and has the long black wire. Now you would have to take this rubber seal off. When you take it off, you're gonna have to dig inside, and then once you dig inside, you'll see a hole. Let me show you guys. See that hole right there? The wire is connected, so I had to put the wire into that hole, and the wire came out from this side. Okay, I fished it out through this side right there. So you got to take the seal off and then fish it out, and then now it's right here. Okay, so again, we have the connector for the taillights, and this is for the adapter. Okay, next, so if you go inside here, you will see that connector that is connected to your taillights. You're gonna take this out, okay? And you're gonna use the female side and click that onto here. And then you're gonna put the other side back into your taillights. Okay, let's do that real quick. Okay guys, that is now in, as you can see. And we do have some wires coming out this way. You're gonna see the one with the 5 pins, okay? So this one is gonna be connected to your 12 volt adapter. There's 2 heads right there. You're gonna connect it to the one with the 5 pins, okay? Okay guys, so the left side is gonna be the same concept. We have the female side here, and it's gonna once you go in the back, you're gonna see the headlights right there. I mean the tail lights, and we're gonna do the same thing that we did on the right side. Okay, we're gonna take that out. We're gonna connect this on there. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick test run to make sure these LEDs work, and then we will start organizing the wires. Okay guys, so the LEDs seem to be working fine. I was able to hide all my wires in there. There's a lot of room in there. And then the yellow one, I kind of guided it through, and the rubber seal, the trunk rubber seal, is going to be going on top of that. So that's going to be hidden as well. Okay, so let's do that real quick.